Hey everyone, welcome to the Fusing Shop. In today's video, we're going to go over how to make a push mushroom pendant. We're going to make our gather on this bigger rod. And I have this little piece of cane here that I made, and we'll use this to make our push pendant. So go ahead, make that gather. Get that gather nice and hot, and then just push in the end to make that mushroom. And you'll start to see the mushroom form in the glass. Don't push too hard because you could break your stringer. So be gentle here. And wait for this to cool so you can see the mushroom in the glass. Excuse me. You see that glowing mushroom in there. Now we're just going to pull it out, make a loop, and throw this in the kiln. Go ahead and make that cold steel punty. The chow. I'm gonna heat a little bit above where my mushroom is, so I can pull out some glass, make a loop. We're not using this much glass, but I like to have some extra. It's a lot of extra. Excuse me, I have a cough for some reason tonight. Use a gentle flame, and we'll go ahead and bend this around and attach to the front. Try your friends here, folks. And just kind of melt it in so it makes one solid loop. Use our reamer to round out the hole. Excuse me. Last step, just tap off the punty. Fire polish the bottom. And now we have a nifty little mushroom pendant. Thanks so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.